Hello students, today we will be solving a problem from class 10 biology R environment. So here the question says name the following. A is constituents of biosphere, B biotic constituents of soil, C is fossil fuels, D is inert gases in air, and E is gases that are harmful to ozone layer. So let's start with the A, which are constituents of biosphere. So biosphere, it is the all part of earth which consists of land, water, air and living organisms. So constituent of biosphere consist of atmosphere, which represent what? Air. Then lithosphere, which represent land. Atmosphere, which represent air, lithosphere, which represent air, this land, and hydrosphere, which represent water. And other components, if we see, though there are some living organisms, there are some energy sources, or also constitute the constituents of biosphere. Then B here is asking about biotic constituents of soil. Biotic constituents means living. The living organisms which are present in soil, they form the biotic components of the soil. These include microorganisms like bacteria, fungus, etc. Then there can be some plants inside the soil which are present, and some animals like worms. They are also can be present as a biotic constituent of the soil. C, they are asking about the fossil fuels, guys. Fossil fuels are the natural resources which we get when the dead and decaying plants and animals, they are converted actually into the fossil fuels in million of years. And fossil fuels, we can take example of coal, petroleum, natural gas. So these are some fossil fuels which are formed from dead and decaying plants and animals. Then D, they are asking about inert gases in air. If we see, air is a mixture of gases. There are many gases like nitrogen, oxygen, argon, neon, helium is present. And inert gases are those gases which do not react with any other gases. So nitrogen, oxygen, these can react, but inert gases present in air are argon, then neon, helium. These are some inert gases present in air. Then E, they are asking about gases that are harmful to ozone layer. If we see gases which are harmful to ozone layer, so they are majorly halogens like chlorine. They are harmful for what? Ozone layer and leads to ozone depletion. Then nitrogen oxide, it can also lead to ozone depletion. Then chlorofluorocarbons, CFC, they are major components which can lead to ozone depletion, guys. Then carbon tetrachloride, these are some gases which leads to what? Ozone depletion. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.